Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. So, October 1 to 7. Knock, knock, Scorpio. Another month, another month. Ilang buwan na lang. Pasko na naman. So, kamusta po tayo? So, hopefully, masaya yung ating week. Yeah? So, another month of what? Full of joy and happiness. Yun ang wish ko po. Wish ko sa mga fellow Scorpio ko. So, energy, October 1 to 7 reading. Strength. Yeah? So, do we need more strength? Or nasa energy tayo na we can do anything? The infinity symbol. Nothing is impossible. Yes? Kaya natin itame yung layon na yan. Kung ano man yung problema, kaya natin yan. Yeah? Scorpio, October 1 to 7. So, known tayo to be the phoenix bird. You know? After noong we undergo transformation, burst into flame, tsaka tayo nagre-resurrect and continue yung journey. Yeah? So, October 1 to 7. Tingnan natin ang energy mo, Scorpio. So, excited ako kasi Scorpio din ako. So, another week. Very busy pa rin kami sa office actually. Daming trabaho. So, chillax lang po tayo. Kuha kayo ng kape, magkape-kape tayo, magkwentuhan tayo. Kung maka-resonate, mas maganda po. Shout out kayo. Kung hindi, huwag pong pilitin. So, decision, crossroad. Ito yung isip natin minsan, typical Scorpio. You know, we overreact. Yeah? We overreact dahil sa we are highly intuitive. Minsan dumarating yung medyo exaggerated tayo. Yeah? So, if you're looking for strength, so energy natin is nasa fighting mode. So sometimes, is it really worth fighting for? Or baka wala namang ganoon. Yeah? Okay. Meron bang ganyan, Scorpio? October 1 to 7. Kasi kapag nandun ka sa energy na hyper, okay? Or meron kang marinig lang na konting kwentuhan or, hindi maganda sa tingin mo, nag-aano tayo dyan. Nag-overreact tayo minsan. Okay? So, check natin. October 1 to 7, Scorpio. October 1 to 7. Scorpio, October 1 to 7. Tignan natin yung energy. Okay, new love. New offer. Partnership. Mayroon ba ikakasal? Naghahanda, nagpaplano? Yan, no? So, this is solid foundation, maliit lang, hindi ganong kalakihan. Preparation, kumbaga sa negosyo, nasa early stage, okay? So, kung yung offer, trabaho, nasa stage na medyo nag-i-inquire ka, you might see some potential. Yeah? Okay? So, new love, ito yung nakikipag-date pa lang. Everything is on the early stage. Yeah? So, kailangan natin ng is it worth fighting for? Okay? Meron tayong nakita na opportunity. Yeah? Do we need to put more effort? Yes, maybe. Or kailangan natin, is it worth fighting for? Or to decide to go to that direction? Kung ano may iniisip natin? Yes, maybe. Ano yung makukuha natin doon? Merong potential. Medyo malaki ba yun o maliit na potential? We never know. nag-analysis paralysis ka rito, Scorpio. Ha? Meron bang ganyan? Trabaho-wise, let's say, meron kang nakarinig na may magandang opening doon, okay? Yeah, o sige, magkano yung sweldo? Maganda ba yung living condition? Ano ba yung benepisyo? Yung sumusungaw-sungaw ka, nagkaroon ka ng interest, pero meron ka rin naririnig na, yung pagiging indecisive somehow, kinakapa mo kung makukuha mo yung emotional balance. Okay? Being a Scorpio, naghahanap ka noong, natatakot ako, baka mamaya hindi ako magustuhan or something. Okay? Merong nabubuong plano, pero hinihintayin mo pa kung iyon ba ay aakma sa'yo. Okay? So, you need that push. Okay? I think that's the strength card na sinasabi. Alam mo na merong potential. Okay? Potential. Pero yung potential normally nasa isip palagi. Yeah? Nakikita mo sabi mo, yung sa kumpanya na yun, nakita ko yung mga empleyado, ang sasaya nila. Okay? Yun ang nakikitang aspect mo. Yeah? Pero hindi mo nararamdaman yung kung ano man yung gusto mo maramdaman yung nakikita mo. Kasi nakikita mo. Pero nagdadalawang isip ka, ganun kaya ang mararamdaman mo rin kapag lumipat ka doon. Okay? So, meron ba ganyan, Scorpio? October 1 to 7. I-connect mo yon sa relationship. Okay, may nanliligaw. Ang ganda ng trabaho nun. Or ito yung makakaano sa akin. Makakahango sa hirap. Diba? Pero hindi mo naman alam kung talagang para sa iyo yun o ano yung intensyon. Okay? That's how it is. Merong lumalapit na offer sa'yo. Halimbawa, put it on the opposite their side. Yung trabaho na mismo yung kumatok. Ngayon, nag-i-inquire ka. Ano ba dyan? Maganda ba dyan? Or something? Maliit pa lang yung maliit pa lang yung nakikita mo. Okay? It's not the 360 or 180 degrees. Okay? So, yan ang energy mo, Scorpio. O kaya, meron promotion. Okay? Ibibigay sa'yo. Pero nagdududa ka, bibigyan ako ng trabaho na madami nito na aabutin ako ng 12 hours a day. Yeah? Okay? And then, nandiyan yung energy mo na if you go to that direction, kailangan mag-prepare ako kasi mas lalo akong hindi makakapagpahinga ng weekend, walang weekend, things like that. Okay? Kasi meron kang gustong tapusin or natapos na o nakikita mong patapos na. Yeah? Okay. Nandun yung light at the end of the tunnel or yung sunrise after ng gabi. Yeah? Kaya meron kang gustong puntahan. Okay, kamukha na sinabi ko, matatapos na yung kontrata. Ngayon, merong nag-a-apply ka or may nag-offer sa'yo something, meron ka pa rin opportunity to stay there. Walang problema. Matatapos ng kontrata, meron kang new possibility na pwede kang magstay or lumipat sa ibang department. Same, location or sa ibang location, things like that. Pero you're opening yourself sa possibility. Okay? Hinahanap mo na ngayon yung mas malalim, yung makakakonect ka sa sa puso mo. Okay? Yun ang hinahanap mo. Or kung meron na nag-o-offer na sa'yo ng ganong sa stage, medyo nagsasalawahan. Yan nagsasalawahan ka. May nag-o-offer na sa'yo dito. Okay? Pero nagsasalawahan ka. Gusto mo makita muna yung kontrata. Ganun tipo. Gusto mo makita na kung nanliligaw ibili mo ako ng magandang bahay. Yes. Okay? Yun ang gusto mo, overflowing ka agad. Okay? Kasi, okay, this is a sense of boredom or a sense of mga trickster. Boredom sa present situation kasi you going through na, okay, alam mo yung tipong kung sa relationship matagal na rin kayo, wala nang spark. Not necessarily na walang-wala na kung hindi you just want to venture out. Again, it's not for everybody kasi I don't see any separation here. Sa friendship dynamics, matagal na kayo, maski na magkahiwalay kayo, alam mo yung may connection ka pa rin even you're far away. Okay? Pero at least itong energy na ito, parang gusto mo nang tapusin. Walang kwenta. That's how you feel it. Again, hindi not yung walang kwenta na walang kwenta, kundi nawala na yung emotional connection. So that's why you're looking for that again. You see that cup of boredom. Yeah? Emotional ito barya na ayaw mo ng baryang emosyon. Gusto mo ng overflowing. Okay? Typical Scorpio. Kasi ganun ka rin magbigay Ayaw mo ng parang aanohin ka, pipichi-pichi. Yung barya-barya. Okay? Kasi Scorpio, I know that's who we are, 'di ba? Tama po ba? Meron mang ganyan. Ayaw mo ng maliit, gusto mo ng malaki, why settle? Ayaw mo ng maliit na offer. Okay? Ayaw mo ng maliit na offer dito kasi nga hinihintay mo. Okay? Ngayon napagod ka na rin sa you want to end up something na nakaka-drain. Yeah? Merong nakaka-drain sa scenario. That's why you have that strength card. Kumbaga sa patahimikin mo tong leon na yan. Yung leon and that energy to sabihin mo na lang na patahimikin yung leon kung magagawa natin yon. It requires a lot of energy. But you have that faith. Okay? Yan, Scorpio. Meron bang ganyan? So, okay, tingnan natin yung storyline ni Scorpio. October 1 to 7. October 1 to 7. Ano ba? Bakit ka nabobore? Ano ba? Yeah, okay. See, to na continuous, ito? Yung, tatapusin na ito. It's all in the mind, okay? It plays on your head very huge ang impact sa iyo. Okay? Meron bang naglaro sa iyo? Okay? Meron bang nagnakaw ng espada mo na okay. Not for everybody na parang minamaliit ka or ina-underestimate ka. Or okay, hindi ka maghahanap kasi kung ang binibigay sa iyo hindi barya-barya, okay? Or chinachani or cram, yung mga tutong sabihin na natin. Ayaw mo noon, okay? You want an overflowing kung at affection. Kung ano yung ibinigay mo kasi hindi ka man gano'n nagchachane. Ngayon, yun ang tricky part dito. Okay? I think inaano mo na yun, dinadala mo na yun. That's why the card is telling na you need that strength to furthermore. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan, Scorpio? Okay. Kung ako, tignan natin yung storyline. Kasi binabarya-barya ka, minamaliit. Okay, sinasize up, put it that way. Ano pa ba yung magandang I don't see, hindi naman siguro discrimination or something. Basta belittle. Yun, belittle. Okay? Lovers, Gemini. Meron ka bang Gemini sa chart mo or may relationship ka na Gemini? So, Scorpio, October 1 to 7. Meron bang ganyan? Naghahanap ka ng mas malaking offer na pagmamahal na affection. Kasi, syempre, we want to go to that, full experience in terms of relationship. Ayaw mo rin yung nilalaro tayo. Correct? Merong may laro. Ngayon, yung ginagawa mo, you're trying to communicate, parang puro communication pero walang no action, talk only. Yeah, meron bang ganyan? Ano ba yung bakit kailangan ni Scorpio nung lakas pa? Okay? At bakit naguluhan siya? Meron siyang meron siyang hindi makita. Gusto niya na makita pero hindi niya pa makita. Naghihintay siya. Naghihintay ka rito Naghihintay ka na talagang ayaw mong two-way. Naghihintay ka dahil alam mong magbabago. Okay? Naniniwala ka na pagtapos ng gabi, may liwanag. Yes? So, kapag ganon, hinihintay mo ine-expect mo na there will be change kasi kailangan mo ng lakas para matulog, bumangon, and you expect na kinabukasan, yung trickster, okay, ay magbabago. Hindi ka na iti-treat that way. Okay? I think it's about how you being treated. Okay, Scorpio, October 1 to 7. Meron bang ganyan? Sa trabaho, ito, madali ring sabihin so, ayan yung mga over-promises na, okay. Alam mo yung over-promises, put it that way. Okay? So, gusto mong lumayo at to navigate your own happiness. Yeah? Navigate your own happiness. Nasa exploration stage ka. You want to explore something. I see a lot of water here. Okay? So, OFW, yung mga marino dyan at mga shipmate, ano bang tawag dun sa mga sumasakay ng barko? Okay? Have something to do with water. Okay? Malamang. So, tignan natin. You just want to move to that peaceful sanctuary mo. So, bakit kailangan mo pa ng strength? At ano ba yung nangyari? Bakit ka minamaliit? Meron mga ganyan? Minamaliit. Yun, nasa isip mo lang yan. Okay, Scorpio? Minsan kasi, actually, mabait din tayong mga Scorpio. So, if we can let go, kamukha nito, Okay, dalawa yung let go ko rito. Let go na umalis ka, iniwanan, and going to your happiness. Okay? Ito yung movement na yun Gusto mo nang umalis, sumakay sa barko at umalis ka. Iwanan yung mga nagpasakit sa'yo ng damdamin or whoever they are. Yeah? Pero itong iba yung meaning sa akin. Parang gusto mong umalis, not necessarily physically, but i-detach yung emotion. Kasi, okay, you have the 8 of Cups here. Nangingibabaw sa'yo yung mind mo rito. Kapag yung mind is nangibabaw, wala kang emosyon. Yeah? You're willing to undergo that transformation na maski na maliitin ka or treated unfairly, maski na barya-barya ang binibigay sa'yo, mukhang willing ka pa ring magtiis. That's why that strength is here. May Leo ba? May Leo? Okay? Kumbaga sa okay ka na bulahin ka. Yun ang nakita ko rito. Hindi ka makaano, yung isang paa mo lalabas para lumayo, one step forward, three steps backward, going to the same ano situation. Meron bang ganyan? Meron bang ganyan? Kasi it looks like na happy ka maski na barya-barya yung binibigay sa iyo eh. You trying to cross your your eyes na it's and parang you pretend ikaw din ito eh. There's a trickster on the side pero ina-acknowledge mo ngayon you want to transform yourself para hindi mo masabi na you are na hindi walang inaapi dito kundi barya-barya lang. You know, yun, alam niyo ganun po, 'di ba? Merong ganun na okay, sa trabaho sa OFW marami din ng mga dehado o underpaid or something na kasi mag-ano lang ako, magtatakip mata. Yeah? Magtatakip mata ako. Okay? Magtatakip mata ako gabi o tanghali, umaga. Okay? At ano ka doon parang nasanay ka doon. Knowing Scorpio kasi dalawa yung transformation natin being a phoenix bird water sign, so connected tayo sa ating heart kung ano yung desire natin, pero kaya rin natin being a fixed sign na mag-transform para to lose your identity for the sake of somebody. Okay? Maski na tipong, maski na hindi mo mahal na mahal or mahal, you look at it, okay, tatanggapin mo na yung barya na yun malaki na para sa'yo. Just to convince yourself na, itong offer na ito is mula sa puso. You know, lahat ng, alam mo yung excuses na it's not the amount of, it's not how big yung regalo kapag maganda hindi nangangahulugan nasa malaking kahon. That's how it is, correct? So ikaw naman, okay, oo naman. Okay. So, hindi ka marigaluhan ng fridge kasi okay naman sa'yo maliit So ang binibigay na lang sa'yo puro tsinelas o ice cube. You know, dahil maliit na kahon. You know that that type of energy. Okay? So ano yung issue pa ni Scorpio? Bakit parang parang gusto mong ganoong sitwasyon? Okay? Bakit what's holding you to move? Okay, ang ganda ng reading the other day the other day. Last kailan ba yun? Na yung power and the money and the blessing nasa kamay mo. Ito yung total opposite of that one. Okay? Another one, kung ito yung prelude nung na yun you have the choice also to move out here kasi iba yung sinwitch mo Okay? Iba yung sinwitch off and on mo. Okay? It's either kung gusto mo na mas malaking offer, mas malaking opportunity, create that switch. Okay? Ngayon, ang nangyari is sinwitch on mo do sa isang angulo. Sabi mo sa sarili mo, ay okay na ako dito. Ito yung malaki na para sa akin. So ang isuswitch on ko dito yung practicality, hindi yung emotion ko or kung ano yung nasa isip ko. That's how you do this time. Okay? So again, I think this is selected to only resonate to only few people. Okay? Kaya ni Scorpion gawin yan. You know, maski na hindi ka masaya. Kasi Again, mahirap pong ano yun. I'm not saying na huwag tayong ah, makipaghiwalay or lumayo, something like that, kasi hindi ganun kadali yun eh. Okay? Pero yung situation ng Scorpio na nandito sa card ngayon is yung ganon, for the sake of, okay? That's why you need a lot of strength. For the sake of, magpe-pretend ako na itong in-offer na to equivalent to this one. Okay? Ang expectation dito dapat is, ayoko nito, ayoko ng breadcrumb, i-offer mo ako dito. Yeah? Ngayon, itong Scorpio nakikita ko okay, yung offer na yan. Yes, okay, masaya ako dyan. Okay? Yun ang equivalent ko nito. Yeah? Yun ang switch on and off to a different mindset, at saka yung emotional, yung acceptance, yung tolerance. Because that angle, mga kapatid na Scorpio, that requires a lot of strength, and you are suffering by yourself at this time. Okay? Pero nandun pa rin yung belief na sa pagtapos ng, again, yung angulo mo na naman nito is, pagkatapos ng gabi, may liwanag. Okay? Expectation-wise na yung ibinibigay sa iyo na maliit, yun ibibigay na talaga sa iyo na dapat mas malaki. Okay? Ganon din yan. Or, the following day, when the new beginning comes, you will continue the old mentality. Okay? Yun. It's either ang gusto mo, ibigay na yung malaki, or ituloy mo na lang yung pagiging, yung pagtakip mo ng mata. That's how it is. So, sino ka dyan, Scorpio? October 1 to 7. Meron bang ganyan? Kopa tayo. Sandali. Wala dito. Tignan ko yung karugtong or yung prelude. Ito na naman siya, oh. In series na naman siya, oh. Ito. You started from 8. Okay? And then you become 9 and you become 10. Ngayon, I think meron kang dito. Meron kang exit. Okay? Don't be scared on, ito yung judgment na naman. Okay? Ito yung hinihintay natin, yung resurrection na after we leave, okay? Kasi Scorpio, ready ka physically, not physically, mentally or emotionally, you can kill that feeling and emotion. Okay? Kapag wala na. Or you can plant a seed sa isip mo, sa puso mo na okay na ako dito, maski na barya-barya. Okay? And you're gonna keep that blindfold for longer. Okay? Ngayon, hanggang kailan mo yan iba-blindfold? Okay? Yung trickiness, you're also tricking yourself here, Scorpio. Okay? I see a Scorpio na mabait and okay. Always the crossroad of Okay. I need to find something here. I think it's on the moon card. Okay. Okay. May istorya itong na ito Itong two of swords na ito. You see, dun sa background nito is merong island, okay? Ang mentality niya is wala siyang makita, wala siyang kalayaan kasi nakakulong siya. Yeah? Okay. Pero yung island na yun, kung bubuksan niya yung blindfold niya, yes, makikita niya na there is escape there. Okay? Hindi ko sabing escape para tumakas ka, okay? yung physical and emotion, kasi binubuhay mo, ina-accept mo yung yung sitwasyon na hindi ka masaya, na pine-fake mo yung happiness mo. Okay, that's why it requires you a lot of strength. Gusto mo sana yung strength na yun to use in a different way, na to persevere, na mabago mo yung sitwasyon. Okay? It should come inside of you, na ikaw na mismong gagawa ng pagbabago na yun. That's why you have that infinity. Yeah? Pero masaya ka dun sa barya-barya. Okay? What's holding you to that one? Kasi nandun yung desire mo, typical Scorpio as well, na we don't like that. Okay? Yung feeling maagrabyado kasi altruism. So you are a helpful person. Okay? Ultra sensitive sa ibang tao. Okay? Yan ang isang natin, isang personality ng Scorpio. Okay? We always give, not half empty. It's always full. Yeah? Kung sa relationship, ganun din. Okay? And the world is your oyster. Ito na naman to. Ito na may nakita kong Scorpio last time, na yung blessing and money, yung foundation, yung fundamental na ina-expect mo sa relationship. Ayaw mo ng barya, gusto mo ng mas malaki. Kasi that's how you want to build your kingdom. Your kingdom, yung not just bahay, kundi yung kabuuan mo as a human being. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan? So, October 1 to 7, Scorpio. Kukuha pa ba ako? This is ongoing, Scorpio. This is ongoing. This is ongoing. Okay? So, okay, kuha ako ng isa pang card. Tingnan natin kung there is some silver lining. Some silver lining. Bakit nawala yung yung determination mo? Okay? Again, this is a difficult situation. Okay? Hindi biro po. Gusto mo lang na ito yung parang tinuhog-tuhog yung puso mo, na kailangan mo magpahinga. Okay? Kino-connect mo yung heart mo sa yung radar niya. Hinahanap ka. Okay? Na kumbaga sa radyo, hinahanap mo yung signal. Pero willing kang magtiis. That's how I can see it here. Okay? Hinihintay mo yung mas malaking puso na ibibigay sa'yo nung Okay? Another Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Leo. Ano pa yung nandirito? Okay. I don't see any separation here or whatsoever. Another Leo, Sagittarius. Ano pa yung isa? Sagittarius and I think Virgo. No, not Virgo. Capricorn. Okay? Yun yung nakikita kong energy na umiikot dito sa sa spread ng card. Okay, call lang ako ng few more card. Tignan natin kung kailan ba ito magigising si Scorpio. Okay? Tingnan naman, nakita, bumalik na naman sa ayaw mong magising. Kasi nga, sa dami mo ng responsibilidad. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko. So this is not something easy. It's a knowing Scorpio, I mean same like me, it's the practicality of things. Okay? Walang tama at mali sa decision. That's how it is. Walang tama sa situation. So that's why kailangan mo pa raw ng ng strength. You still need that strength. Hindi pa napapanahon. Hindi pa napapanahon to walk away. Ang gagawin mo is you gonna pretend and walk away emotionally para yung bariyang binibigay, you will consider it as something huge. Yeah? And you're willing to you are ready. That's why you need that strength. You need that strength. Yeah. Okay. Meron bang ganyan? Scorpio, October 1 to 7. So, kung sino man itong parang ano tuloy ako dito. Okay. Kung sino man ito, we hope everything will be okay. So, October 1 to 7, malapit na yung birthday natin. Happy birthday, fellow Scorpio. Okay, ako na yung bumate. Okay, kuha tayo ng ng Moon Oracle. Tignan natin, Scorpio, October 1 to 7. October 1 to 7. Okay, so ingat po tayo. Ingat po, shout out ako sa mga OFW. Relax lang tayo. We need strength also. We need strength and guidance. Yeah? October 1 to 7. Tingnan ko. Ano pa yung message? For Scorpio? Okay. Ilan yung lumitaw? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Basahin natin yung 4. 4 cards. Okay. Basahin natin. Okay. Tingnan natin yung mga kaibigan mo. So, half to full moon. Okay? Half to full moon. Tingnan natin kung auspicious yun. Sabi dito, embracing high levels of motivation and energy will bring feelings of empowerment and satisfaction. Okay? Embracing high levels of motivation. Motivated ka eh. Motivated ka. Okay? This is their motivation. You have a fork on the road. Okay? Nandiyan yung desire, the young emperor. Okay? Kasi alam mo na hawak mo yung yung daigdig. Page of Pentacle. Switch your mindset. Okay? Try to explore option. Decision yan eh. Okay? Motivate. Sabi nung kaibigan natin na full moon. Ngayon, sabi ng waxing moon, okay? Sabi niya, now is a good time to focus on achieving your own personal goals. Yes. Okay? You've been balancing a lot and balancing. This is Pentacle, kabuhayan. Kung nagnenegosyo ka, okay, you're a provider. Okay? You're a provider. So, ano pa ba yung balancing dito? Okay? For me, balancing is 4 of Swords. Mentally, you need to recharge. Physically, you need to recharge. Okay? Literally, matulog po. Yeah, that's what I normally do kapag yung sunod-sunod yung yung sinipa ka na, inano ka na, that's difficult. It can be, hindi naman nakakapagod physically, pero sometimes mentally, at saka sa heart, sa space mo, ayaw mo, diba, kapag nasaktan. Okay? Pero kinikimkim. Okay? So, focus on achieving your own personal goals. Ano ba ang makapagpapasaya? Ito nga ba sinasabi ko, Pisces, fellow water sign eh. Beware of indulging in negative or depressive tendencies. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi kong kino-convert mo yung concept mo ng barya-barya, pero ikaw okay lang para sa'yo. So, you're tricking yourself. Okay? Ina-accept mo na yung barya is okay. Again, hindi po masama yun kasi barya, pambili din yun ng ano, di po ba? So, is that very depressive? Okay? Depressive tendency. Ano bang, paano ka ba makakaalam doon? Okay? I think offer more, give love. I think that's how you gonna nurture that strength inside of you. Okay, sabi ng frog, the path has been cleared for you to make a change that previously seemed unachievable. Sa atin pa rin magsisimula yan eh. Sa atin rin, Scorpio. It's painful. Okay? It's painful. Pero it's not easy. Okay? So if you're expecting somebody na to change at i-offer na talaga yung overflowing abundance, love, or, your lack. Minsan, lack yung kulang. Okay? Kasi, dahil sa barya-barya yung binibigay sa'yo, inahintay mo, and you're waiting patiently, ang bagal-bagal. Okay? So, what I can see here is, sabi niya dito is, once you change your mindset on that, there's nothing wrong on accepting it, okay? And there could be something miraculous happen. Okay? Something miraculous happen. I can see here. Why? Because that strength, alam mo yung pagkahaba-haba ng prosesyon sa simbahan ng tuloy ng kasabihan, or meron yung isang boss ko way back, hindi Pinoy actually, from Taiwan. Sabi niya, kapag meron ako hinihintay, sabi ka, tatayo ako, maghihintay ako sa pintuan. Yun ang yun ang analogy niya. Hindi man sila magbukas ng pintuan, pero magbubukas sila ng bintana. Okay? And that's patience. That's the strength. That's the infinity. Yeah? Okay. So, the path has been cleared for you to make a change that previously seemed unachievable. Meron kang gustong baguhin. Meron tayong gustong baguhin, pero kaya lang in-accept na natin for what they are. Meron ganyan, di ba? Meron po ba? October 1 to 7, Scorpio. Yeah. Okay. So, salamat po sa panonood at pagpasyal. So, see you again